Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add views to your projects in ClickUp in the updated 2026 layout. Different views help you see your work from totally different perspectives. So, yeah, let's jump in. First, open the project space, folder, or list where you want to add a view. Then click the Add View button at the top. Choose the view you want: list, board, calendar, Gantt, timeline, table, workload, mind map, whatever fits what you're doing. Give the view a name and choose whether it's private or visible to everyone. Then add filters or sorting so the view only shows what you need. You can add as many views as you want: a list for details, a board for workflow, a calendar for deadlines, a Gantt for long-term planning. They all sit in your view bar so you can switch instantly. If you want to reorder views, just drag them. And if you want to remove one, click the three dots and delete the view. It won't delete your tasks. You can also add views at the space level for a big picture overview or at the list level for something more focused. And that's it. That's how to add views to your projects in ClickUp for 2026. Mix and match them to see your work in the clearest way possible. Thanks for watching,